Hi, you're welcome to Explore Insight. In this video, I want to take on an introduction to complement subtraction. Now, in complement subtraction is actually in three forms. So the first one is binary subtraction, hexadecimal subtraction, BCD, and SS3 subtractions. So now, in this part, we are going to consider each process. So in the binary subtraction, we're going to consider the first complement and the second complement. Whereas for the hexadecimal subtraction, we're going to consider the 15 complement and the 16 complements. And lastly, for BCD and SS3 subtraction, we're going to consider 9th complement and 10th complement. Now, before we proceed with this subtraction, it's important for you to understand what two values we have. So when you are asked to subtract a value from a value, what are those values called? So for instance, in the subtraction of 10 minus 4, this 4 is considered as the subtrahend, whereas the 10 is considered as the minor end. So what do we mean? So you can just take a look at this. Now the subtrahend, I'll say that it is a number to be subtracted from, so we have to subtract 4 from 10, whereas the minor end is the number of which another is to be subtracted from. So 10 we want to subtract from 10, so 10 is the minor end. Now there are things we also need to consider here. Now if you look at this, we have the first complement, the 15 complement, and the 19th complement to be considered as the odd complement process, and because they are odd complement process, we will just add carry to the result. Whereas for second complement, 16 complements, and 10 complements, we consider that as even complement process. So all we need to do is to eliminate the carry. So this is just a quick introduction to complement subtraction. So in my next video, I'll be treating each of this subtraction for binary, hexadecimal, BCD, and SS3. So do well to watch my next video. Bye.